The High Street Group was established in Newcastle by ambitious entrepreneur Gary Forrest in 2006. Applying his dynamic approach to business developed over 20 years in the financial services sector, he invested the proceeds from the sale of his successful mortgage company to launch a more diverse operation. He's now led the group to become one of the UK's most successful privately owned financial and property operations. In 2016, it reported profits of £26 million and had a pipeline of projects valued at close to £1 billion.
We've had huge growth over the last few years. We now employ in excess of 100 people, each and every one of them encouraged to embrace our philosophies of being innovative and entrepreneurial. We look for flexible thinkers who can find simple solutions in complex environments. This, together with our financial strength and sector expertise, creates a strong platform from which we can create value for our partners and ourselves through a focus on 4 key factors.
These are the private rented sector, or PRS, traditional new build homes for sale, innovative rooftop extensions and leisure, particularly boutique hotels and restaurants. Quick to spot the increasing numbers of young urban professional renters in the UK, 19% of people now rent privately, the High Street Group is leading a shift in the provision of such properties. It's creating high-quality, purpose-built apartment complexes in key city centre locations. These appeal to high-earning people who don't want the constraints of home ownership and to institutional and individual investors. With yields of up to 7% for owners, there are almost 3,000 of these apartments now under construction or planned in Birmingham, Greater Manchester, Milton Keynes, Salford, Warrington and Newcastle, where the 27-storey Hadrian's Tower will become the city's tallest building. These projects represent £600 million worth of investment, and the group has more opportunities under examination. Also burgeoning is the more traditional new homes for sale arm of the business. With over 200 properties completed or under construction and a further 1,800 planned, it concentrates on projects that are too small for PLC developers, yet too large for small builders, a lucrative niche market. Examples include the double award-winning restoration of the Larbert House country estate in Scotland, a similar manor house refurbishment in Argyll and Bute, and an innovative development of 14 homes in an 18th century walled garden in Newcastle. The recent signing of a joint venture agreement with a UK estates management company paves the way for an imaginative project to add residential units above existing high-rise buildings, particularly in London. The government recently welcomed upward extensions in the capital, and the Housing White Paper also backed increased density on brownfield sites. And the High Street Group's diversification into the leisure sector continues. The first of its Hotel 52 brand was launched in 2017, and the plan is to create a chain of 15 to 20 affordable boutique hotels across the north of England.
These are truly exciting times for the High Street Group, and I genuinely believe that we can become one of the UK's leading development companies.